Love you.
Please be happy. It's okay. Did you have a great time today?
You see me? Yeah, I see you. You got it.